Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you a video from 2017. At this point I've been pouring maybe 4 or 5 months, and it's one of my favorite pours of all time. I think it just turned out really good. I ended up trading a gallon of resin for this painting. Anyway, I'm going to speed it up 8 times and I'll be back with you later. What I did is I think I put the silicone, it looks like, in between the layers, and then I added some in the paint later. The medium I used on this was 75% Floetrol, 25% Glue-All, and I added water to get the right consistency. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.